these days. If you open almost any social media platform, you'll see everyone talking about Anthropic and its AI service, Claude. It's an incredible AI tool that can do a wide range of different tasks, and honestly, it has surpassed many of its competitors. Using Claude can even be completely free. You can simply visit claude.ai, sign up with your Gmail or email address, and start using it easily. And if you want, you can also use Claude Code, which allows you to do some truly amazing things. If you pay monthly, it costs around $20 per month. If you want to upgrade to the max version, pricing starts from $100 per month. And if you're using it as a team, you'll still need to pay at least $100 per user. But honestly, Claude's capabilities are so powerful that you might wonder, can it really replace many of the tools we've been using until now? I can confidently say yes. And that's exactly why we're preparing this dedicated playlist about Claude, where we'll cover everything from A to Z together. Now, one of the first questions many people might have is there any way to use Claude for free? There are some alternative methods, like using Ollama and other services. But one direct and official method introduced by Claude themselves is through a special link. I'll put the link in the description as well. They officially allow some users to access Claude Max, which normally costs at least $100 per month, completely free for 6 months. However, this opportunity is mainly designed for people who are very active on GitHub and have a lot of interaction there. In that case, they may receive 6 months of free access to the max version. But the website also mentions that even if you don't meet those requirements, you can still fill out the form and you might still have a chance to receive free access. So give it a try, fill out the form, and maybe they'll grant you access for free as well. Now let's actually start working with Claude. In this video, we're going to talk about Claude Projects, a feature that helps us create organized workspaces similar to projects in OpenAI ChatGPT. With projects, you can create a dedicated workspace, put all your important information inside it, and continue working with it anytime you want. In general, a project inside Claude means creating an environment where you define recurring instructions and information. So Claude will always respond according to those rules. If you already have projects, you'll see the list here. And if you want to create a new one, you can simply click on New Project. It asks you for a project name, and you can also directly provide a description for the project. But I want to show you a different approach that helps us work with projects in a much more accurate and professional way. On the right side, as you can see, there's an instructions section. In this section, we can carefully and precisely explain to Claude exactly what should happen inside this project. I already prepared a sample text, and I'll paste it here. Whatever you want Claude to do, you can define it in this section. It doesn't matter if it's for language learning, programming, data analysis, or anything else, you can clearly explain how Claude should behave and what tasks it should perform for you. To make things more practical and easier to understand, I'll show you a fun example. What I did was ask Claude to start every conversation with this emoji, because this project is going to focus on data analysis. As you can see, it's very easy to customize things like this. And if you have files, you can directly upload them here. You can paste text or even connect the project to your GitHub account so everything stays synchronized. So don't underestimate how useful this feature can be for creating a highly organized and accurate project environment. From this point on, I can directly communicate with the project I created. I can write prompts and ask questions. For example, I uploaded some sample content and asked Claude to sort countries based on their order volume and perform various types of analysis for me. Now watch this. Every time Claude starts a conversation, it automatically uses the emoji I requested. It's following all the instructions perfectly. It tells me which countries performed best, which channels generated the most customers, and many other analytics insights. It continues analyzing everything step by step and provides detailed results. Honestly, working with Claude is incredibly exciting, and you can do some truly powerful things with it. As you can already see, it's even going to create dashboards for us. And honestly, the dashboards it creates are amazing. Building dashboards like these manually outside the system would take a huge amount of time. With this setup, you can easily create any project you want, and if you have future conversations outside the project, you can later add them into the same project so all your information stays centralized in one place. I hope you get the maximum value from this tutorial video. Every day, we'll try to share more information about Claude so we can fully take advantage of these incredible new capabilities and have an amazing experience using Claude. So, if you haven't subscribed to the channel yet, make sure to subscribe. If this video was useful for you, give it a like, and if you leave a comment, I'd be really happy so we can stay more connected and keep growing together. Until the next video, take care of yourselves.